How to connect Chromecast to your Wi-Fi network easily step by step in this video. This video is just a step-by-step guide how you can do it. What you will need: a TV with an HDMI port, a Wi-Fi network, a smartphone or tablet, any device you have with you, the Google Home application, and your account. First step is plug in your Chromecast. Plug the Chromecast into your TV's HDMI port, connect the USB power cable to the Chromecast, and a powerful shows. Turn on your TV and switch to the correct HDMI input. Install the Google Home app. Download and open the Google app from App Store or Google Play. Make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want to Chromecast to use. Add your Chromecast in the app. Open the Google Home app. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner of your screen. Now choose the Setup Device option, then click on the new device. Select your home, then app will search for nearby Chromecast devices. Tap on your Chromecast name when it appears. Step 4 is connect Chromecast to Wi-Fi. A code will appear on both your TV and the app. Confirm the match and select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Chromecast will connect and may update you automatically on your TV. This is the video.